welcome to F&SYamaha and Marine in Hanover, Pennsylvania. I'm Andy. I'm the guy here that sells most of the fishing boats. If you're not familiar with us, check us out on our website at F&SYamaha.com. Our very active YouTube channel, F&SYamaha, our Google listing and Facebook listings. We have a great reputation that we're very proud of. We have people from all over the nation that buy boats from us, and we appreciate it. Anyway, on to the cool Excel. We just recently became an Excel dealer, and this is our first bass boat that we're, shout out to Tracy and Rich. This one is sold. So this is a detailed walkthrough of Tracy and Rich's boat. 2027 Excel 183 EX183. Of course, Excel is an all-welded aluminum boat. Very similar to other high-end brands that are out there. This is an 18-footer that has a Yamaha 150 SHO. We did water test and ran with even all the goodies that are on this, which you'll see in the video. It ran 54 mile an hour. I do other videos that will go through details of Excel and how they're constructed, but this is a video specifically for Tracy and Rich's boat, so they can see exactly their end product. Aluminum easy track trailer, the swing tongue, this is the Phantom blackout package. So basically everything's blacked out. You can see the logos, cup holders, almost everything on the boat, even hinges and whatnot, it's all blacked out. Ratchet tie downs, flush mounted back tail lights. We went with the Yamaha Turbo FXP 22-inch bass prop on this boat. That performed the best. We tested several props just to make sure it's the best performance, and it worked really well on your setup, Rich and Tracy. 8-foot power pull blades with single pump. You see mounted with jack plate brackets on your jack plate, and you have a 10-inch TH Marine blacked out jack plate as well. These are made in Tennessee. See the proud logo there. If you're not familiar with us, we do a lot of custom riggings. If you see our YouTube channel, you see a lot of customers' completed boats that we've done throughout the years. A leash there as well, just in case for safety. Jumping in, bunch of upgrades. As you can see, we've got the Aqua Traction EVA flooring throughout. Garmin 12-inch on the dash on the left side, and a 93 SV Echo map on the right side. And then we went with Bass Boat Technology, makes a very nice custom mount to hold the fish finders. Wet sound stereo with two 8-inch speakers, got big speakers. You can see the tack, fuel gauge, dual blinker trim, and hot foot on a slider. All of your switches. The rear live well is recirced and also, of course, aerated. All the little buttons there to the right of your switches are circuit breakers. Drew mounted one of your remotes here for your power poles here on the right side. Live well. Here's where all the magic happens. So here's where Drew put all of your stuff. 30-gallon fuel tank. Also went with C-Clear wiring harness. So all the electronics are dedicated to their own wiring harness with switch. And Drew custom made this bracket. So this is the switch for all your electronics. This is a switch for the rest of the boat. And then Rich went with Pro Guide lithium batteries for the boat and also trolling motor. And then also too a Pro Guide onboard charger, which Drew just had enough room there to tuck that in. You see it there. Power pole single pump. We upgraded to the Minn Kota 60 amp breaker. That's a little higher quality breaker than what comes to the factory from Excel. It's just one of many little things that we do. If we see anything, even the most minor thing like that, we'll just do it just to make sure everything's set up correctly. Rich, here's your 110 plug for your charger, so you don't have to open your hatch. Just flip that little rubber button, rubber cover open, and plug into your battery charger. We also too, this is minor, but instead of aftermarket fuel water separator that comes from Excel, we upgrade to Yamaha's OEM filter. Up front, Garmin Force Pro trolling motor with Garmin's new spy pole, 360 imaging, and also live scope. And we did a 10-inch echo map and a 12-inch echo map up front. Of course, foot pedal tray. Here's your dual mount as well. This is your foot pedal. This is your controller for your spy pole as well. If you take note, everything's just tidied up and as good as possible. Drew does a great job with the riggings. Retractable rod straps on each side. Oh, and also Tracy, we put a strap on either side for you, for Rich, like Rich mentioned, for your rods on either side. USB plug here. Another one over here for both you guys. Rod storage. Even the rod storage has the EVA foam flooring to match on the floor. Put your Garmin live scope box in this compartment. Also too, of course, you have your yeah, if I can spit it out. All of your compartments have lights. We can see the light there. And also too is under gunnel lighting as well, which you can see here. If we can turn that on, you can see that. Try to turn your lights on here so you can see what they look like. Oh, and now we have a loud radio. Yep, there you can see the lights underneath the gunnels of blue lights on both sides. Lights it up pretty nice. Let's look at your list here. Just make sure I'm not missing anything on your everything that we did with your boat. Tracy and Rich, I really appreciate your purchase and your patience in getting it rigged. It's that busy time of year trying to get everybody rigged, and you got one badass boat here. I really appreciate it. Everyone else, if you're not familiar with us, like I said, check us out on our website at F&SYamaha.com. If you have questions on this boat or any other boat, feel free to contact me with any questions. We do a lot of special orders as well. We also sell express, bass, bay boats, duck boats, Excel duck boats, jet boats, Bennington pontoons, a lot of used boats as well. We're out here in the cornfields of Pennsylvania. We're all about service. If you look at our reviews everywhere, from Google to Facebook or wherever it may be, you'll see we have great reputation. And the reason that people come from all over the nation to buy from us is because we really go the extra mile before, during, and after the sale. We're just all about service. We go through every boat very thoroughly, not just Excel, but every brand of boat in the industry. There's things that need helped and improved upon when they come from the factory. And the good dealers will take their time to go through every boat as thoroughly as possible before you get it, to try to head off any potential problems. And then we also water test every single boat that we sell, because there are certain things that can only be tested in the water. That's just part of what we do here. And if you like to go to the water, I'd be glad to go to the water with you as well. People throughout the nation buy from us, from as far as you can go all the way to the West Coast. And they buy from us just because of all those things. And our knowledge of rigging and product and whatnot too, just like Rich and Tracy's boat here. I meet a lot of people halfway, regardless of where you are. I do it quite a bit. And then we'll try to meet at a waterway as well. Tracy and Rich, I really appreciate your purchase. Look forward to seeing you here soon. Please let me know if you have any questions, anyone, including especially Rich and Tracy. But if you don't mind, like this video, subscribe to our channel. It helps other people find us. And check us out at our website at FSYamaha.com. Have a good day.